दीपक के जहन में ये बात साफ थी कि 21वीं सदी में भारत एक नया रूप लेकर उभरेगा, कि उपलब्धियां भारत में ही मौजूद हैं। इसलिए उन्होंने भारत लौटने का फैसला किया।
One of the main reason is that I always believed that the 21st century will belong to countries like India, and that the century of Western domination was over, and the countries like India and maybe China would actually be the engines of growth for the current next century, that is the 21st century. Econets in USA failed, and then Econets in India also failed. Of course, I feel that failure teaches you more lessons than success does, and sometimes failures is something that you need. But fortunately, there was a family business which helped me to, in fact, change my career track from software to chemical engineering, where I had fortunately good education.
भारत में दीपक के एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई मल्टी ग्रुप के साथ, जिसने केमिकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के क्षेत्र में कुछ बेहतरीन काम करना शुरू किया।
मल्टी ग्रुप consists of many companies which are doing different aspects of chemical manufacturing and selling those chemicals to other customers. While it was producing its products, more than 40 companies producing the same chemicals have shut down worldwide, primarily because of Chinese competition. There is no company outside China who is able to compete in this product segment as Multi-Organics has done. Some of the strengths of Multi-Organics is frugal engineering, which allows us to manufacture chemicals at much lower cost than other people can. We can build plants very efficiently, we can manufacture very efficiently, and still we can maintain world-class quality. A very strong, capable organization has helped me to start my own company, Inventis Research Company, which focuses on outsourcing manufacturing for large European and American chemical and pharmaceutical companies.
दीपक ने मल्टी ग्रुप के अंतर्गत इन्वेंटिस रिसर्च कंपनी की शुरुआत भी की, जो केमिकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के क्षेत्र में आउटसोर्सिंग की सुविधा उपलब्ध करवाती है। कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो दीपक ने अपने बिजनेस में इस्तेमाल की हैं, जो उन्हें औरों से बिल्कुल अलग बनाता है।
We make chemicals that serve various industry segments. For example, we make chemicals that are purchased by companies working in agrochemical sectors. They are used to make either fungicides, insecticides, etc. One of the chemical we make in Inventis Research Company is used by one of the largest European company to make fungicide for killing fungi on potatoes. They have recently also introduced that product in Indian market for killing fungi on grapes. Another chemical we make is used by numerous companies in Gujarat, eventually to make dyes and colors which go on our fabrics. There are some very strong capabilities that have been built into the multi-group. We can design plants very efficiently, resulting in savings of more than 75% compared to, you can say, European and American counterparts. We can handle very complicated technologies which are used to produce these chemicals. So the quality, safety is maintained despite being able to deliver products cheaply. While doing that, we do not harm the environment.
केमिकल से डील करने में एक बेसिक डिफिकल्टी है एनवायरनमेंट की सुरक्षा, जिसका खासा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है। आइए जानते हैं दीपक से कि उनकी कंपनी ने इसके लिए क्या किया है।
Responsible environmental care is one of the strengths of Multi-Organics. For good environmental care, what you need is a strong management will, so that you are ready to sacrifice a part of your profitability so that your environment is not damaged, and technical capabilities. You cannot solve any problems without strong technical capabilities. But once you set your mind, and if you have the technical skills, you can solve almost any problem or challenge that you face in the industry. And responsible environmental care is a result of strong management will, a feeling of responsibility towards the society in which you live, and of course ability to put that will into operation.
दीपक के अनुसार ये जरूरी है कि अगर आपको लोगों के लिए कुछ करना है और उन्हें सुविधा पहुंचाना है, तो अपनी सेवा को बेहतरीन, किफायती और कम से कम समय में उपलब्ध करवाना होगा।
So one of the recent successful assignment we completed was in Inventis Research Company's Nagpur plant. We built a greenfield, this was a greenfield project where we built an entirely new plant. We started in July 2007 when there were just cows and shrubs on the land. And from July 2007 to July 2008, in 12 months, we built the complete plant, we erected all the equipment, we connected it, and we were ready for mechanical commissioning. Typically, such jobs will take anywhere between 2 to 3 years. World standard is probably 1.5 years, the best in the world standard. We were able to do this in 12 months and also at a cost probably 25% compared to American and European companies.